Someone is missing you deeply, and this time it is not curiosity or nostalgia driving the feeling. It is the heavy awareness of loss, the kind of loss that settles in when silence replaces familiarity and consequences replace comfort. Your absence has created a space they can no longer ignore, and every quiet moment reminds them of what they mishandled. This person did not just hurt you lightly or unintentionally. The damage went straight to your core. It was layered disrespect, repeated betrayal, and careless behavior that accumulated over time. Each incident alone was painful, but together they nearly dismantled you emotionally and spiritually. What makes this truth sharper is that the mistreatment was not accidental. It was a pattern, a choice, a consistent decision to dismiss your value while benefiting from your loyalty. You gave patience where accountability was needed, and grace where boundaries should have been honored. They watched you show up with sincerity while offering inconsistency in return. They relied on your stability while treating your presence as optional. And yet, you stayed longer than you should have, believing effort could correct disrespect. Here's the uncomfortable truth wrapped in a pattern interrupt. People rarely miss what they respected. They miss what they took for granted. Funny how absence clarifies vision faster than honesty ever did. When you finally removed yourself, the environment shifted. Not for you. You began to heal. But for them, the social circle changed. The energy changed. The truth began surfacing without your voice even being present. The people they chose over you, defended over you, and prioritized above you slowly revealed their intentions. What once felt like loyalty turned into competition. What felt like friendship turned into convenience. You warned them with calm wisdom, not control. You spoke from clarity, not jealousy. Yet your words were dismissed simply because they came from you. Pride rejected truth when it threatened comfort. Ironically, the same advice was accepted when repeated by others. Same guidance, different messenger. That rejection was never about the message. It was about ego resisting accountability. Now fear has entered the picture. Fear of isolation. Fear of realizing that support was never abundant. It was specific. Fear of understanding that the one person who stood firm during storms is no longer accessible. When life began pressing harder, no hands reached out. When emotions overflowed, no one stayed. And in that absence, your consistency became impossible to forget. They know with certainty that you would have shown up. They know you would have stood steady even when chaos surrounded them. That realization is painful because it confirms